going?
We got snow cones and we're going somewhere.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
We're going to my house.
In mine.
Oh, show our snow cones. What flavors did we get?
I got Tiger Blood, so did TW. Megan got
Snow Angel.
Snow Angel, yeah.
It's not really as good as I thought it was going to be.
Hence the why I'm holding it.
No, she's holding it because I don't have a cup holder and I'm driving. So. Okay, so we're home now.
By the way.
It's probably windy. We're home now and we're eating our snow cones. Yum, yum, yum. Look, there's Bubs. I mean, Bubbles. His name is Bubbles. Mr. Bubbles. No, wait. The name's Bubbles. Mr. Bubbles.
Tarantulas, because we hamster was, probably because of tarantulas. Imagination, life is your creation.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
In the Barbie world, life is plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair,
Undress me
everywhere.
Imagination.
Life is your creation.
We are going to the nature center in Acton. It's like a bunch of nature trails and you can just like explore. So that's where we're going right now. It's hot outside. We're gonna go exploring, yay! On the map? Yeah, if we take this trail, that will lead us. But this is the biking trail?
Yeah, you can walk on it though.
Okay. Biking trail? But oh, pick it up. Pick up the map. We'll need that. Alright. Let's start our adventure. Okay guys, so you probably can't hear me, it's windy, but anyway. We were just walking around a little corner thing. Are you guys making bunny ears? Okay. We were walking around a corner and I'm leading the pack, right? So I pretended like someone was there or something and I turned around like, oh my gosh! And you should have seen her face. Oh my gosh, she was like, what? Okay, she didn't yell that loud, but still, yeah, her face was pretty dramatic. And I was so mad I didn't vlog it, and now I can't do it again because, well, I can't do it again yet because she'll suspect it. But yeah, going into the trees. Oh my gosh, you're so stupid. Did you hear her? Werewolves only attack on full moons. Hormones are out of control. I don't really think werewolves exist, so we don't have to worry about that. Slenderman, on the other hand. Kidding. Yeah. Hey guys.
Yo.
We're really out of shape and lazy, so we're sitting on this bench taking a break. Yeah. What are you doing?
See if I can hear the car.
She's saying how close we are to the car. That's kind of sad.
Yeah, hopefully Slenderman won't get us.
Yeah.
Is your camera messing up yet?
Oh, I'll check. Looks fine so far.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You can slide this thing? The slide is messed up.
I don't see it yet.
Slenderman's gonna get you. We're just like, go this way, go around.
We're hiding from Dorleen.
I saw you over there. That's why I asked what you guys are doing, because I could see you.
Oh,
Could you see my hat?
she could see us.
I could see you moving over there.
Could you see just him or both of us?
Both.
Dang it.
I was gonna be like, oh, we were gonna scare her.
Oh yeah, she probably could see us plainly.
I thought there were
retarded.
more trees, so that's the only reason
Yeah, I
said
know.
that.
From over there, it looked really woodsy, but over here, it's like, oh, there's one tree. We made it back to the car. I don't know. We're in.
Stop. I love you.
No, not GameStop.
That's the best place ever.
No.
I didn't understand what the game is anyways.
Oh my gosh. to
We'll go
GameStop.
anywhere you want to go afterwards.
Fine. But we're not gonna be there a year, okay?
5 years.
Hey guys, we just got out of GameStop and TW got Darla to purchase, what was it? Battlefield 3 for him because he's a youngin and can't buy it himself yet. And now we're gonna go swimming! Yay! That'll be fun. Jump, 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 jump. It's not cold, I swear. Feel good?
It does feel good.
Alright, I'm coming in.
There's nothing in my pockets.
Oh! We are done swimming. You can't get out. Just jump. Here, I'll move this because I hit my knee on it. It kind of hurt. Come on, darling. It can't be that hard getting out of a pool. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3. Okay, jump and TW will pull you up.
I don't need help.
Okay, do it.
Okay,
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Alright, this is the time. You got it. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, we're just out here enjoying the nice day.
Beatboxing.
We're about to eat some ice cream. What'd you get? Vanilla?
Yeah.
Vanilla. I got caramel. It's not open yet. And she has chocolate.
Dirt.
I keep trying to dolphin dive in this game.
It's a bean. We have no control over, and that's what destiny is.